This is how you can make your AI agent on the SimplAI platform. Either you can go to Start Building, select Chat Agent, and create your agent by giving custom input, manually setting the LLM, writing your base instructions, and adding any tools you need. Or for a much faster way, you can go back to the home screen. At the same time, you can use our Builder agent. You just need to give a prompt on what agent you want. In this case, we'll use the blog writer template. In just a few seconds, it will make the agent for you, delegating the task to our agent building system. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation. Just click the link to open your new agent. Now you can customize it. You can see the agent is pre-configured. You can start by changing the LLM model. You can also change the prompt or add a knowledge base to give it specific data. And then you can publish it with the help of our version control. Just click Submit and give your new version a name, like 1. And click Create and Publish Version. And this is how you can make your agent in just a few minutes.